Let me show you how you can change your video background. I'm going to show you how to change your video background. You know, many people will not like to video themselves from their house background, or let's say from the wrong background. So you want to change your video background. Let me show you how you can change your video background. So all you need to do now is to stay with me to the end of this video because it's very simple. I'm going to show you bit by bit. Follow my arrow on this tutorial on how to change your video background. You understand? Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel at Oga_Frayo_Tech or Oga Frayo TV. There, I will be teaching you more and more on how to make use of your software or make use of your phone or CapCut and what again? CapCut, Photoshop, and all that to change your video background. So, I'm going to change like this, the way you are seeing it like this. Wait, the way you are seeing it like this, I'm going to change this one. See this one also, I'm going to change it like this. So now all you need to do, I'm showing you bit by bit, you're going to see them. Now follow me to the end of this video. So now all you need to do is to click on your CapCut. It open. When it open like this, you hit new project. It open. Now select one of the video where you say you don't already package cheap where you want to do the change of background. Let's use this one. Click on it. It come to CapCut. Now this time you see that the video is here now. So now if you want to, as before you use this video, make sure the video background is white, it's plain. It can be any color background, but let it be different color of your clothes, or let it be plain white background. So when it come up like this, now you are going to look for remove BG, that is remove background. I'll go down like this, remove BG, click on remove it, click on auto remove, it will remove like this. So now you wait for it to load. As you can see, wait for it to load. When it load finish, yes, load finish. Now you are going to look for background. No, but before this time around, you already download the beautiful background you want to use. So now let's look for background. Let's look for background. Go down like this, select. You see background, you see where the right background. So now, no, not here. Go, just follow my arrow. So now, okay, see background like this for this side. Click on this one, click on background, it open. Then when it open, you click on image. When it open, you now click on this side, click on this my arrow, follow my arrow. When you click, it will show you plenty background wey be say you don already download inside your phone. So now it will take you to your gallery. So let's do this one. Let us use one of this my studio something. Now as you can see now, the background is already in place. So when you put it like this, you click mark. If you click OK, now it will now enter. Now if you want to change another one again to the next one, you can move forward. As I do this one, follow it. Then you can do this one again. As you can see now. Now move to this one. Same pattern that you did for the previous one again. That is what you will do to change the next background. So now you can still do the same thing. Go to auto remover, remove the background. Remove BG mean remove background. Then you click on auto remove, it will remove. So now you click on background. Thereafter this one, you go back, you click on background. So when you click on background, it will take you to your phone. I'm saying this for the second time. It will take you to your phone. From there, you now select the type of background you want use. Do you understand? So select image. When you click on image, it will take you to your phone. When it take you to your phone, you now select the type of background you want use. You can use any one of these, or you can check the one you have downloaded before. Let's use this red and see. So, or you can use any one. Select any background of your choice. So you must have this one are the one that follow CapCut, but this one I download them and I create. If you want me to even teach you how you can get your own name registered in your background, I can help you and do it too. So these are the background that you can be using. So with all of this, I think it's very simple. So if you have studied all this one, follow my arrow, follow all this lesson tutorial to the end, and you cannot still been able to change your background, no worry, DM me direct or send your question under the comment section. I will respond to it. So these are the simplest way to get your change of background. You know, many people no go fit sit down for their house. They don't like people to see their house background. So you want to change your background. So these are the way. This is the only way to change your background. So this is it. Now, shey you have seen how I change background now. So please help me share this video. Share it so that other people can see it. Do you understand? Help me share it so that other people can see it, and also subscribe to my channel and let all of us grow together. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.